Midwest, the cold weather's already causing a lot of problems. You may have even lost power last night.
Yeah, those winds will continue for a while. ABC 2 News' Brendan McNamara joins us live from Fed Hill, where the winds are pretty strong. We can hear them.
Yeah, whoa.
Brendan, how is it feeling out there?
Hang on, Brendan.
Yeah, it is really picking up. Just in the last few minutes, it's gotten really, really windy up here on Federal Hill where we are right now. It's very cold, too, especially after the week we had last week with that really nice weather. This is really going to be a shock to the system for everybody going outside this morning, as you probably felt over the weekend somewhat, but it really, really is still going out here right now. A lot of people lost power last night in our area. Baltimore City, Baltimore County, each had over 10,000 people who lost power, not just people, but homes at least. There, you can hear it right there. Wow, that is some strong winds coming right now. Hopefully you can hear me talking out here. A lot of problems still to go as well in other parts of the county. A lot of people are still without power. There were thousands in other parts of the state as well. In New York, we wanted to mention this as well. There's a really bad snowstorm going through a lot of the East Coast as well. So I guess the good news here, even though it's really windy out, it's not that bad. In Berlin, New York, there are 20,000 without power, and winds topped 56 miles an hour just last night. And at JFK Airport, airplanes had to be delayed for an average of over an hour, we saw as well. So really, really big problems up there. Right here, right now, it's just windy, so it's annoying and it's cold. But I'm still standing here, so at least there's that right now, guys.
At least there's that. He's still standing.
I think we need to get one of those things where we can kind of like put a stake in the ground and tie him onto there so it doesn't go flying off the hill.
Yeah, we
be
need
careful,
to make sure
Brendan.
he's secure.
Thanks.